gentlemen, we are Gardens of Qazvin city. Help ICOMOS support the conservation of natural and cultural heritage by donating to the ICOMOS Culture Nature Prize.
The implementation of art programs to help form the local association for the protection of Qazvin historical gardens is one of the actions of this plan. Creating interaction between gardeners and urban institutions by the local association is one of the initiatives of the plan. The short-term effects of implementing the project will be to reduce the concern of gardeners, and its long-term effects will be to create a legal structure that they demand.
Your donation to ICOMOS help fund culture, nature projects like mine and protect overshaped natural and cultural heritage for future generations. Thank you very much.